So when I did my LG V60 unboxing, I had a few complaints about Samsung. Like, I don't like how Samsung is trying to be like the next Apple. Whatever Apple does, they've copied him. And it's what's even worse is they make fun of Apple for doing stuff like they made fun of Apple for getting rid of the headphone jack, and then a year or two later they get rid of the headphone jack. And then they make fun of Apple for not including the the charger and all that, and now they don't include the charger, right? And that's the one thing about LG that I like. They stick to their guns as far as like they don't try to copy Apple or any other company. They beat to their own drum, and which is good and which is probably bad also, because as we know, LG, sorry to say, and I'm gonna miss having their next whatever phone that they would have had, like the V70 or something like that. It's no longer going to be made. This is the last of the LG phones, and it's probably why I'm keeping this, because my Note 10 Plus, which I said I wanted to keep, and I paid for that. I paid for the rest of that phone on contract and just paid it off and to be my keeper. I actually traded it in for this, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So with all my complaints about Samsung, I ended up getting the Ultra 5G, mainly because, like most of you guys watching this video, you're probably like me. You're a tech geek, a tech nerd. You want the latest and greatest. Then this is going to be it, since they are not going to be making a Note 21 this year. And the other thing is, this will have Samsung Pay that I can use at most other places for shopping that LG Pay doesn't work with, or LG Pay doesn't work with the banks, most of the banks that I have. And then the other thing is the watch that I have, my Gear watch, my Gear Frontier, and I'm probably going to get the Gear S3 or the latest Gear coming, or the latest Gear that's out, to pair with this Galaxy S21 Ultra. And then the other thing is, as much as I love the LG for videos, and you guys will probably never notice, but half of my videos were shot, all the videos that you guys have watched previously were either shot with the V60 or my Panasonic Lumix J85 that I'm shooting with right now. And then the other one is the Note 10 Plus, which now I won't be able to shoot with the Note 10 Plus, because I traded it in for this Galaxy S21 Ultra. And it was really hard for me to let go of the Note 10 Plus because of that Aura Glow color. I thought that would be a collector's, and no one is, Samsung's not making that color no more, that Aura Glow, which looks like a hologram on the back of the phone, right? Then I had to really think, do I really, if I'm keeping this Note 10 Plus, why, other than for nostalgia and things like that? I'm not really gonna make use of it. I might as well get something that I'm actually gonna get use out of, and then I could also use it to help me with this channel, and that's this one right here, because this one should have better video recording than the Note 10 Plus, and it should take better pictures than the V60s. I'm sorry for all you guys that like the LG or LG fans. I love LG too, but let's just be real here. LG is really good at video. That's why the V series, the V in the V series is for video, but they're not that good in still shots or pictures. The Samsung Galaxy S21, from all the reviews that I've seen, has the best cameras out there for pictures. So with all that talking out of the way, let's do this unboxing. So here it is, Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Nothing much, just a plain black box. Right there's the serial numbers, what you don't need to see. Samsung plain, and then right here it just says Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, so you can pause that, read it for yourself. Where the serial numbers are right here, which is blurry right now because I'm not going to focus in on it, is it says Phantom Black, and that's it. So let me cut the tape. And let's open it up. So when I was getting this, when I was ordering it from Timo, the guys over there were asking me, do you need a charger to go with this? I said, is it free? And they're like, no, you have to pay for it. I go, no, I got plenty of chargers, which is true. But like I said before, just because I have plenty of chargers does not excuse Samsung for not including it with the packaging. I mean, the last great Samsung phone that had every feature, or mostly every feature, was, I believe, the Note 9. And if I go back even further, maybe the Note 4, because for feature-wise, they they had everything. The Note 4 still had the IR blaster. When it came up to the Note 10, Note 9, they did not have the IR blaster no more, but they had the iris scanner, which was very handy for for unlocking your phone. The iris scanner was, and the Note 9 was almost $1,000 when it came out. And it was a sign of things to come, where the Galaxy Note phones or the S phones were going to be more expensive, but they included everything. The Note 9 had the fast charger, or somewhat fast charger, the cables. It had the AKG wired earbuds with extra tips, and then you had extra tips for your S Pen. So the S21 Ultra is going to be the first phone, or one of the first phones, to allow you to use the S Pen. And I actually ordered an S Pen for this, specifically for the S21 Ultra. So this is all we get, is the phone and maybe a SIM ejector tool right there. And then all the stuff in here are just all your instruction manuals. Right? Oh, and you get a USB-C cable. Yeah. So you get a USB-C cable right there. Your safety, whatever, warnings, quick reference guide, and then SIM card, which I don't really need because I'm just gonna put the one that's on my V60 on there. So that's it. And this is the Phantom Black. So I wanted the Phantom Black. This is the 256 gig version because it was only like $50 more than the 128 gigabyte version. So for double the storage, just pay a little bit more, right? I don't think they even had a 512 version available, not that I know of. At least they didn't tell me they had it available, because if they did, I would have I may have gotten that one. So removing this plastic wrapping right there, and then there's some plastic protecting the camera portion, and there you go. Really nice. This matte black, or Phantom Black that they call it, it's a matte color. It's not glossy. It's really good. It's not going to track fingerprints as much, but it's going to look even better when I get my D brand black carbon fiber skin, because as you guys know, I'm all about the carbon fiber stuff, carbon fiber everything. Look at, I made my own carbon fiber sticker for this LG V60 dual screen case, and there's also one for the LG V60. I made one for my Tab S7, a carbon fiber case, because they did not none of the big companies like D-Brand, Slick Wraps, or Skinit had skins for the Tab S7, which is odd because you would think they would for Samsung, right? Maybe not for LG, but for Samsung. So yeah, so I'm just gonna wait on my D-Brand skin. But I also ordered these cases that came a day before this came in. So this is a Van Mass clear case. I got the ESR clear protective case that has a kickstand built into it. And then I got the Galaxy, the Spigen liquid air that has a S Pen holder, as you guys can see right there. Although we'll probably take a look at this all together when I get the S Pen. I did not order the case and the S Pen. I just ordered the S Pen for the S21. It said S Pen for S21 Ultra, because I didn't like the look of the Samsung case. The Spigen case I thought looked better, so that's why I ordered this one to go with the S Pen. So all those will be in the next video. Probably this one will be first up because this is a new one, Van Mass, and it's gotten some pretty good reviews on Amazon, like 4.5 stars out of I think 500. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I'll put it in the description, or I'll put it in the video when I do the review for this one. But it seemed like it was a very rugged and good looking clear case, and it says that it won't yellow out. They had some technology to prevent from yellowing out. When I ordered this, right after I received my order, I got an email from ESR saying how to take care of the case and to prevent it from yellowing. So this one will yellow out over time, whereas this one won't. But again, that's in a separate video. So that is it for the unboxing. As you can see, you just get the phone and nothing else. Oh, and a cable and instruction manuals. A phone, the cable, and instruction manuals, and that's all you'll get with the Note 10 Plus. You don't get anything else anymore, just those right there. Sad day, people. One phone manufacturer that got where they are because of being different is trying to be like the other manufacturer that they make fun of. But in the end, I'm an idiot because I'm supporting them by getting their product. So that is it for the this unboxing. If you guys have made it this far, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And if you guys got some value or been entertained or got any new information from this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.